In this question, fx equal to 0 has alpha as repeated root. Therefore, let fx equal to a x minus alpha whole square, where a is not equal to 0. And then we have to show that delta x, which is defined as ax, bx, cx, a alpha, b alpha, c alpha, a dash alpha, b dash alpha, c dash alpha. Then we have to show that delta x, which is defined as this, divisible by fx. Now in order to show that delta x is divisible by fx, we have to show that alpha is also repeated root of delta x. Since we know that delta alpha equal to a alpha, b alpha, c alpha, a alpha, b alpha, c alpha, a dash alpha, b dash alpha, c dash alpha equated to 0 as first and second row becomes equal. Also, delta x means a dash x, b dash x, c dash x, a alpha, b alpha, c alpha, a dash alpha, b dash alpha, c dash alpha, plus remaining two determinants equated to 0. When we differentiate any determinant with respect to x, then we differentiate first of all first row and remaining two rows remain same. Then we differentiate second row and remaining two rows remains constant, and we differentiate third row and remaining two rows remain same, and add all of these. So here remaining two determinants equal to 0 because these are constants. And here we can show that delta alpha, delta dash alpha equal to also 0, as row 1 equal to row 3. Therefore we have shown that delta alpha is equal to 0 as well as delta alpha is equal to 0. Hence alpha is repeated root of delta x. Therefore fx, therefore delta x divisible by fx, and which is we want to prove.